and its neighbors. In this chapter, we are learning about unity and diversity in India and with its neighbors countries. Location and extent. Our country India is located in the southern part of the largest continent, Asia. It extends about 3,214 kilometers from north to south and about 2,993 kilometers from east to west. It is the seventh largest country and second largest in population. Features. India is surrounded by water on three sides: the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, and Arabian Sea in the west. So it is also known as the Indian Peninsula. In the north, the high mountain range of Himalayas forms the physical boundary. India is a land of many different and varied physical features. It has physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the island groups. Unity in diversity. India is a land of great variety. There are places which are covered with snow throughout the year, like the Great Himalayas. There are places which remain very hot or receive very little rainfall, like the Indian desert. The people of India belong to many different religions, tribes, and races. They speak different languages. They wear different kinds of dresses and eat different kinds of food items. But we are all united as one and are proud to call ourselves Indians. It is because of this unity among the variety of people that India is called the land of unity in diversity. States and Union Territories. India, being such a vast country, is divided into smaller areas called states. There are 28 states and 7 union territories, including capital Delhi. The most important town or city in the state is called its capital. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Our neighbors. India shares its border with China in the north, west in Pakistan and Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan and China in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are islands formed in the south of India. These countries are our neighbors. Summary. India is the seventh largest country and the second most populated country in the world. India has 28 states and 7 union territories. There is unity in diversity in India. Large mass of land is called continent. That is all in this lesson, students. Learning is fun, so keep learning and be proud to be Indian.